Subway once promised free sandwiches for life if you got their logo tattooed, and people actually did it because fans started lining up at tattoo shops, and some people even covered their entire back with a giant Subway logo just to claim unlimited sandwiches. At first it looked like genius marketing by Subway, but when winners tried to redeem their prize, they found out it wasn't even unlimited at all because it was capped at a few sandwiches a month and only at certain locations. And that's when the internet canceled Subway because people called it the biggest scam ever and accused Subway of scamming customers into ruining their life for basically nothing.